Kilalanin natin ang official, new and improved complete lineup ng Jordan National Team para sa 2025 FIBA Asia Cup at makakalaban din ng Gilas Pilipinas para sa isang tune-up game bago ang FIBA Asia Cup. Point guards: Freddie Ibrahim, 6'3", 169 pounds, 28 years old, 14.8 points, 5.3 rebounds, 6.5 assists, 1.3 steals, 1.5 blocks, 37% three-point shooter, 80% free throw shooter in his 2024 FIBA Asia Cup averages. Malek Kanaan, 6 feet, 178 pounds, 32 years old, 3.3 points, 1 rebound, 1.5 assists, 0.3 steals, 33% three-point shooter, 66% free throw shooter in his 2024 FIBA Asia Cup averages. Abdul Rahman Olajuwon, 5'10", 150 pounds, 19 years old, 5 points, 2.5 rebounds, 4.2 assists, 1 steal, 25% three-point shooter, 65% free throw shooter in his last season averages in new college prep. Shooting guards: Rawi Zid Kilani, 6'3", 165 pounds, 18 years old, 6.5 points, 4.5 rebounds, 3.8 assists, 0.8 steals, 0.5 blocks, 13% three-point shooter, 63% free throw shooter in his 2025 Under-19 FIBA World Cup averages. Jasan Al-Tawil, 6'2", 195 pounds, 32 years old, 7.3 points, 3.7 rebounds, 2.3 assists, 1 steal, 0.6 blocks, 28% three-point shooter, 61% free throw shooter in his 2024-2025 Jordan League of Talent season averages. Dar Tucker, backup naturalized player, 6'4", 205 pounds, 37 years old, 15.8 points, 8 rebounds, 3.5 assists, 1.8 steals, 0.5 blocks, 44% three-point shooter, 85% free throw shooter in his 2024 FIBA Asia Cup averages. Panoorin natin ang pinaka-latest highlights ng backup naturalized player nilang si Dar Tucker, kung magaling pa din ba itong player ngayon. Small forwards: Hashem Abbas, 6'3", 215 pounds, 26 years old, 8.3 points, 4.2 rebounds, 1.3 assists, 1 steal, 0.3 blocks, 26% three-point shooter, 43% free throw shooter in his 2024 FIBA Asia Cup averages. Abdullah Olajuwon, 6'5", 210 pounds, 21 years old, 2.6 points, 2.9 rebounds, 0.4 assists, 1 steal, 46 field goal percentage, 63% free throw shooter in his 2023-2024 Detroit Mercy Titans season averages. Panoorin natin ang kaunting highlights kung gaano nga ba kagaling na player ang anak ng NBA legend na si Hakeem Olajuwon. Power forwards: Khaled Abouawood, 6'8", 230 pounds, 28 years old, 11.3 points, 8.3 rebounds, 2.9 assists, 1.6 steals, 0.9 blocks, 19% 3-point shooter, 57% free throw shooter in his 2024-2025 Jordan League of Talent season averages. Ahmad Hammersheh, 6'6", 210 pounds, 39 years old, 4 points, 4.2 rebounds, 1.5 assists, 0.3 steals, 33% 3-point shooter, 57% free throw shooter in his 2024 FIBA Asia Cup averages. Rondae Hollis Jefferson, main naturalized player but will not play because he has a contract to TNT. 6'6", 217 pounds, 30 years old, 26.9 points, 12.5 rebounds, 5 assists, 1.8 steals, 1.6 blocks, 30% 3-point shooter, 74% free throw shooter in his last PBA 49 Commissioner's Cup averages. Panoorin natin ang mga naging best game highlights ni Rondae Hollis Jefferson sa TNT last PBA 49th season. Centers: Faris Mucharbak, 6'11", 200 pounds, 19 years old, 5.2 points, 4.7 rebounds, 1.3 assists, 0.7 steals, 1 block, 33% 3-point shooter, 66% free throw shooter in his 2025 Under-19 FIBA World Cup averages. Youssef Abuwanaze, 6'7", 220 pounds, 31 years old, 2.7 points, 3 rebounds, 0.3 steals, 0.3 blocks, 57 field goal percentage, 13.3 minutes per game in his 2024 FIBA Asia Cup averages. Ito ang official, new and improved complete lineup ng Jordan National Team para sa 2025 FIBA Asia Cup at makakaharap din ng Gilas Pilipinas para sa isang tune-up game. Sa tingin niyo mga kababos, kayang talunin ng Gilas ang lineup ng Jordan ngayon at may pag-asa ba sila sa 2025 FIBA Asia Cup sa lineup nilang ito? I-comment niyo na po yan sa baba.